Hey everyone, Duke Nougat 3D here, and yes, it is time for yet another mystery unboxing, or rather unbagging at this point, because today I have one of two packages from Hype again. He just sends this stuff to me. I don't know what's going on over there, but he just piles it on. And like the second one, I don't even know what's going to be in there, but this one I have some sort of idea what I'm going to be getting, because there's a couple particular items that he offered to me, and he said they would be throwing other stuff in there, so we're going to see what we got today. So let's start off by carefully opening it, because there is no box in here, just bags. So peeling the side, again very carefully. Let me move this off camera to get this out of the shell. Oh, we got something on top here. It's all taped together. So, we got lots of bubble wrap. Let's see what the first item is. It looks like a bag of some sort. He mentioned that he'd be putting some PLA items in here. No specific stuff, but definitely interested to see what all I got. Let's see. What we have looks like a Tricom bandolier for probably SKS ammo. Neat. Don't have one of those. Let's see what else I got. More wrapping. Ah, yes. This is one of the items I was expecting. This is a Syntex Geiger counter, or dosimeter, radiometer. I'm not too well versed on the designations and the all the information on radioactive type of stuff, but I actually wanted one of these. This was kind of interesting. It was nice to have in my kit, so I'll set that aside. Let's see, this is mostly just going off of reaction here. I don't actually have any dialogue to go with this. Here's the manual for it, I believe. So there's the manual. Just flip through that really quick. It's kind of crumpled up, but it's got a couple booklets here, actually. Let's see what else we have here. Here we go. I was actually expecting one of these too. I've actually been wanting to do a review on one of these for quite a while, and I finally have one, so I could finally do a review on it. Give me one moment to open it here. If I could figure out where the tape is. Ah, this one's being troublesome. I have to cut it open. So what we have in here, God, if I can ever get it out. There we go. We have the infamous Chinese, what everyone likes to call normalized hose, but in reality it's just I like to call it transitional thread, and I'll definitely be doing a review on this to see if all the rumors about these are true. And then we have a Breeze, I don't know the designation, it wasn't Y2K. It's similar to the P2 respirator, but definitely a Russian half mask of some sort. Again, the designation escapes me, and I'll probably have it correct when I actually do the video on this, because I'd be doing studying at that point. And then let me double check, see if there's anything else. Couple more items in here, actually. What is this? I'm cutting it open off camera so I can handle this crap better. So what in the hell is this? It's definitely sealed, dated 2012. I'm going to try and open it carefully here without damaging the label. See if I can do that. Very carefully peel, because I want to keep all this intact. Not sure why I really need to. I don't even know what's in here, to be honest with you. Can't read anything on here, so I haven't the slightest clue what it is. But anyways, I got that off, so let me unwrap it. And oh, god damn it, it's one of those PLA kazoo things. I have no clue what the hell these things are for, but I actually remember him posting these. I know Moulage wanted one of these for some reason, just because of how objectively ridiculous the concept is. But yeah, just a weird Chinese military signaling device of some sort. We like to call it the PLA kazoo. But, and then one last item in here. Let me cut this open and see what the hell it is. Appears to be a leather pouch of some sort. I wonder if there's anything in it. And, yeah, definitely a leather pouch. What the hell is this? Probably like a compass or something. Oh, what the... Oh, they're goggles, I think. Yep, they're Chinese military goggles of some sort. Nice. Very, very flimsy looking goggles, but neat though. Anywho, that's pretty much it. That's all I've got in the packaging. I'll double check. Yeah, I think that's everything. So, thank you again, Hype, for all this stuff, and I'm kind of excited to see what you've got in the second one, because, again, he never even indicated what I'd be getting in the second one. So, that being said, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, even though I did a terrible job of unwrapping everything, because I couldn't do it on camera. But anyway, rambling again, so... I'm Duking with 3D. If you have any comments, questions, corrections, or concerns, drop them down in the comments below, and I'll see you all later.